Okay, posted in the Google Classroom last Friday was the following assignment. You can kind of see it's 10 steps here. So as you finish your project, make sure you get it submitted into the SouthView Drive. Step 1, hit save to save your copy of it. Hit save as to create a duplicate and save it into the appropriate S drive, Mertz Intro to Architecture 2018-19, period number, house, and then save. I think your quarter number might be in there too, so make sure you click on fourth quarter. Add a backdrop to your house. So I'll show you how to do that really quick. When I go into the full overview, get it to load really quick here. You can see in the background how we have mountains and a lake. If you don't already have that in there, go to the library browser, click on the core catalogs, and it's the second folder there. And then you can click on there, click on one that you like, and apply that to the background, just like such. Okay. Then next thing in the directions is to view the assignment. Let's just do that really quick here. Sell your house. So you're going to make a poster and you're going to write a paragraph to sell your house. So discuss location, living square footage, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, etc. Some other sellable features, and make sure you use really sales-like language. Examples are given at iowarealty.com, and look at the kind of pictures that you want to take too. When you take those pictures, here's how you're going to do it. Okay, so let's say I want to take at least 10 screenshots. So I'm going to get one of like the front of my house, kind of show off the curb appeal. Let's get like kind of a good fun angle. I'm going to go down here and search for snipping tool. Hit new. And then now it's just a matter of click, drag, and release. I'm going to hit save. Pay close attention to where you're saving it. I'm going to save mine into my drive. You can just save yours somewhere, just kind of. I'm going to save them all right here. I'm going to call this Mertz House Front. I'm going to hit save. Okay, and then I'm going to minimize it. And now I'm going to get some more pictures. Maybe I want one of like the back porch to show off like the screened in porch. Or like the skylight windows. Hit new. Show it from that angle too. So this would be the back side. Okay, let's get some of the inside now. So again, I'll minimize. I'm going to close that view. And I'm going to go to a different camera. So any sellable features. So I like my kitchen. I get my computer to speed up here. Little backsplash going on back there. So let's take a picture of that. So again, open up the snipping tool. Hit new. There you go. There's the kitchen. So notice last name, house, and then inside the house, what picture is it specifically? Okay. Once you have your screenshots taken, I would recommend moving those into your Google Drive. So I'm just going to highlight the pictures I just took, and you can see them, the PNG image right there. I'll split screen this, go into my drive, And then you could even like create a new folder. So just hit new folder. Let's call this Mertz House Pics. I'm going to open that. And now I can simply just drag and drop stuff from my drive, my Z drive, into my Google Drive. Okay, now those are loading. Let's go to this real estate site. So I'm going to click right here. I'm going to find one that I like. So let's say I like this first one. Go back to full screen. I'm going to say customize template. And I'm going to hit save. So it may ask you to sign in, which I must already be signed in. You can sign in with your Google stuff. And then simply from here, you just go through and replace all the pictures and all of the text with your own stuff about your house. You already have the layout, adjust the price. The price for your house, you can do an estimate by taking the square footage times $200. Okay. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to hit replace photo, Google Drive. I'll sign in quick. I'll hit allow. Mertz House Pics is at the top for most recent. And I have all my pictures here. So I kind of want to do, kind of like this back patio. So that might be my feature one. And then I would just hit crop. It'll keep it the same shape as the house you're just replacing. And then you can replace the text simply by double clicking on it. And then you can type in whatever you want. So it's pretty easy. And then, yeah, you just go in here, change the address, change the text, make sure you're not Helen Harper. So put your own picture in there or put a picture in there, and then change Helen Harper's to your own name. Change everything about this except for, you don't need to necessarily delete anything, just replace it with your own information. Make sure you hit save. And then when you're all the way done, you hit download and then free download. And it's right there, right? So when I go to turn it in, now I can go to my assignment and you hit add work. There's an add button down here, and then you just simply click, hold, drag, and drop into the add work place, and your assignment will be turned in. This will be due Wednesday. So you have today and tomorrow in class to do it. And Wednesday, we're going to do a different activity. If you have any questions, please consult your neighbors and be on your best behavior. Thank you very much.